Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best gas weedwhacker is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner looking to maintain a pristine lawn and garden, offering unparalleled power and efficiency to tackle even the toughest overgrowth, stubborn weeds, and overgrown brush with ease, ensuring your outdoor space remains impeccably tidy and visually appealing throughout the seasons, making yard work less of a chore and more of a satisfying accomplishment. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Introducing the WORX WG163, a versatile tool that easily converts from a string trimmer to a lawn edger in seconds. Tackle your yard work with ultimate convenience. Never worry about running out of line again. This trimmer features an innovative push-button command feed spool system for instant line feeding. Plus, enjoy free spools for life. Reach every corner of your yard with the 90-degree pivoting head. It allows you to trim on sloped terrain and access those hard-to-reach places with ease. Achieve straighter lines and cleaner cuts thanks to the rubberized wheels. They provide support and guidance, making edging your lawn a breeze. Keep your plants and ornaments safe with the adjustable spacer guard. It prevents accidental damage while you trim and edge your lawn. This tool comes with two powerful 20V PowerShare Max lithium batteries. They are lightweight and compatible with any other WORX PowerShare tool, offering maximum flexibility. What we like. This one offers great versatility with its 2-in-1 trimmer and edger function. The 90-degree pivoting head is perfect for tackling sloped terrain and hard-to-reach areas. If you have a yard with varied landscaping or need to get into tight spots, you should consider this. What people say. Much lighter than the original. The two extra batteries are awesome. I can literally finish my entire yard with one battery. It is light like everyone says, but I read somewhere here some elderly lady where she engineered an old shoulder strap to help ease the load even more. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Combo Kit. Effortlessly maintain your yard with this lightweight and quiet combo kit. It includes a string trimmer and an extra battery, perfect for larger spaces. Our AFS system automatically supplies trimmer line as needed. This ensures your weed trimmer operates smoothly without interruption. Quickly switch from trimming to a wheeled edger for precise borders. It uses the same battery-powered tool for convenience. This grass trimmer weighs only 4.5 pounds. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver for comfortable, extended use. Enjoy personalized comfort and control with adjustable height and handle. It's designed to fit every user. The cordless leaf blower unit weighs just 3.7 pounds. This provides easy handling while clearing debris from your yard. Designed for low noise, this kit allows for peaceful yard maintenance. Enjoy a quiet experience in any neighborhood. What we like. This combo kit is incredibly versatile, handling trimming, edging, and sweeping. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver for extended use. If you're looking for a quiet solution for maintaining your entire yard without disturbing neighbors, this is a great choice. What people say. It is lightweight and very easy to use. The automatic feed was a great surprise. I have not experienced any glitches with the automatic feed. Love how lightweight the trimmer is. I could use this with one hand if I wanted to. Number 3. Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Gas Weedwhacker. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 26 cubic centimeters Weedwhacker, your ultimate solution for lawn care. This powerful tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use. Experience true versatility with its 3-in-1 functionality. Effortlessly switch between a 17-inch string trimmer edger and a 10-inch brush cutter to tackle any task. At its heart lies a robust 26 cubic centimeters full-crank 2-cycle gas engine. This ensures reliable power for demanding jobs. Enjoy a longer lifespan and better fuel efficiency thanks to its full-crank design, which doubles the life of half-crank engines. It's built to last. Getting started is a breeze, typically within 5 pulls of the starter. The tool-free air filter cover makes maintenance simple and operation comfortable. This tool is compatible with various attachments, allowing you to expand its capabilities. Save money and space by easily converting it into different tools. What we like. Powered by a strong 26 cubic centimeters gas engine, this unit offers robust performance. Its 3-in-1 functionality and compatibility with other attachments mean you can tackle a wide range of yard tasks. If you need a powerful, adaptable tool for tougher jobs and want to save money by using one engine from multiple tools, this is the one for you. What people say. The unit is fairly quiet for a gas string trimmer, easy to load trimmer line, doesn't leave your hands numb from vibration, it's really easy to start, reasonably powerful, and pretty inexpensive to buy. It started on the third pull today and I was fast enough to get the choke off. It stayed running. Ran it for a solid 30 minutes this morning. Ran it hard too, trimming my swell and some brush growing next door, and it ran flawless. Used maybe 1/3 of a tank of gas. I cut through thickets without effort, and at times when weeds would seem to be wrapped around the blade and spindle which would need to be manually cleared before, only required the application of throttle and a brief shaking to sling it off and work resumes. Number 2. Wild Badger Power 52 cubic centimeters 3-in-1 Weed Whacker. Introducing the Wild Badger Power 52 cubic centimeters Weed Whacker, your ultimate solution for lawn care. This powerful tool is designed to tackle any yard work with ease. Experience unmatched versatility with its 3-in-1 functionality. Effortlessly switch between trimming, edging, and brush cutting to achieve a perfectly manicured landscape. At its core lies a robust 52 cubic centimeters full-crank 2-cycle engine. This ensures reliable performance and durability for all your outdoor tasks. Designed for a longer lifespan and better fuel efficiency, its full-crank design doubles the life of traditional engines. Enjoy extended use and less maintenance. Starting is a breeze, typically within 5 pulls, and the tool-free air filter cover simplifies maintenance. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation, reducing fatigue during extended use. Weighing less and designed for comfort, it makes yard work less of a chore. You can maintain your property with ease, even for long periods. What we like. Featuring a powerful 52 cubic centimeters gas engine and an 18-inch cutting path, this Weed Whacker is built for efficiency. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged operation. If you have a larger property or need to clear dense overgrowth quickly, this powerful and comfortable option is ideal. What people say. The unit is fairly quiet for a gas string trimmer, easy to load trimmer line, doesn't leave your hands numb from vibration, it's really easy to start, reasonably powerful, and pretty inexpensive to buy. The new unit works flawlessly. In fact, I just came back in from doing the lawn a little while ago, and a wild badger chewed through everything like, well, a badger. I cut through thickets without effort, and at times when weeds would seem to be wrapped around the blade and spindle which would need to be manually cleared before, only required the application of throttle and a brief shaking to sling it off and work resumes. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Weed Whacker, CMCST 900D1. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Weed Whacker. It's designed for ease of use, helping you tackle yard work with confidence. Forget about bumping. This tool features an automatic line feed system that ensures smooth operation every time you use it. Achieve a perfectly manicured lawn with its efficient 13-inch cutting swath. It helps you get the job done faster and with less effort. Easily switch between trimming and edging thanks to the ergonomic telescoping pole. It transforms from a trimmer to an effective edger in seconds. With 2 speed settings, you can select more power when needed or extend the runtime for longer yard work sessions. Enjoy flexible performance tailored to your needs. This versatile tool quickly converts from a string trimmer to a lawn edger, making it perfect for all your yard maintenance tasks. Keep your workspace tidy with the integrated hook, compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system. Store it easily when not in use. What we like. This trimmer boasts a generous 13-inch cutting swath for efficient lawn maintenance. The 2 speed settings allow you to optimize for power or runtime. If you appreciate a well-organized workspace and need a reliable tool for regular lawn care with flexible performance, this is a solid pick. What people say. The auto feed feature was flawless and had no issues. It's got a pretty quiet noise level, is light and not heavy weight-wise, great power with the 6 mAh battery upgrade. The rotating head comes in handy for edging the lawn. The self-feeding line is a nice feature. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.